All right, so I am recording most all of what I'm doing. So I'll edit together a fancy video and whatnot. But figured I'd walk through here. Let me go put this back. Walk through here and show you the progress every day. Well, every day we're out here. So the driveway got a bunch of work done today. It got crowned finally all the way up to here. And I don't know if you can hear in the distance, we're putting a culvert in the middle of the driveway, because this side of the driveway at one point, at the low point in the driveway, it needs to drain to this side to go to lower ground. So one culvert in the middle of the driveway connecting the two ditches, but that work is coming along nicely. This clearing, the 2-acre clearing, is not quite halfway there yet. We are probably one third of the way through as far as the line goes. There's a 200-yard marker or 200-foot marker, and we still have 2 rows of these pine trees before we get to it. So speaking of pine trees, he's been knocking down quite a few of them. There's 4 root balls right here. The tractor can't pick up the root balls, but it can push them like a bulldozer. And we have 5, 6 root balls. Cleared out this little area with the tractor while I had it over here. Cutting 10-foot sticks, and once I get to up here where you top the tree, there's still usable material, but I'm overflowing with stuff, and I've got a surplus problem right now. So once we get to where you should top the tree, it's still a decent amount, but I'm cutting it off, and we're just going to burn the top, because I'm getting some trees I'm getting 5 10-foot sticks. Some trees I'm only getting 3, so we're averaging about 4 with all of them. So my wife, I don't know if I showed this previously, or I know I did, I don't know if you've seen it yet, but she's marking every 10 feet. So 10 foot, and then there's another mark. Now, as far as the stick goes, she's using a 10-foot stick, and I told her to give me a fist on either side from the end of the stick to the dot. So it's probably 10'6" when it's all said and done. But she's going through marking everything, which has been great for me to just buzz through with the chainsaw. And we've already got quite a bit stacked. So our tractor can stack these no problem. But stack number 1, and we still have all this down to material. And there's 3 of the trees behind the pile. And then stack number 2 over here. Some of these, I haven't measured the diameter yet on any of them, but some of them, I have an 18-inch bar on the chainsaw and it can't go all the way through. So some of them are about 20 to 25 inches. I think there's 1 or 2 down here that's like 25 inches. But the majority of them I can get through on an 18-inch bar. So not as big as diameter. The diameter average is probably not as big as I thought, but hey, still plenty of material. So now what are we doing with all these logs, right? So I wanted to get a sawmill. I am going to get a sawmill. Want to get a sawmill, but I also don't want all these trees to rot out or insect damage before I get to them, all these logs. And we have an abundance left, and I have to clear some land after the shop is built on the other side of one of the trails where we're going to put the barn. So there's no shortage of pine trees. I mean, this whole pine stand, this is a tremendous amount. So I'm thinking about putting these on Facebook Marketplace and see if I can't sell these, recoup a little bit of the cost that I can turn around and put right back into the property with some gravel. Yeah, busy past couple days. We have a small chance of rain in the morning, but it's nothing crazy. I still think we can probably get back out here tomorrow if it does rain. And then after that, we've got 2 or 3 days of dry weather. So trying to make some good progress, and trying to stay safe with the chainsaw, trying to do this logically, but holy moly, there's just so much material right here. Yeah. All right, that's it. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you in the next one.